Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Good morning, beautiful Nompopi. I hope you're good. I hope you're amazing. I hope you are lovely. Well, I am starting a new vlog, and yeah, come with me to go buy groceries, I guess. So yeah, I'll show you my outfit of the day. Let's go down. Let's get down. I think this will be fine. Yes. So I'm wearing this. So I bought this top long time ago from Marabastad, the one in Midrand, and I'm wearing this long ass dress. Let me take it down a little bit. So it's really long, down to, yeah, really long. Also, I bought it in Midrand, this other Makula shop. And then this was my gift from my birthday that I got from a friend. You saw the trip, right? This is the gift. And then of course I'll be wearing
you doubting, hoping, can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys to the moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you?
I'm definitely.
You know, say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm plenty, 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 so far baby face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You make them what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die.
You no finish, them won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit that job. I know they from say I too righteous. No come they from say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. But my mind run my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me could be not my fantasy. What they change if my tap be no wrong. But it ain't rush forever, it be much. Now gotta make my car be the rush. Time on you because, yeah, it ain't rush.
Anyway, good morning, good morning. I hope you are good. I hope you are well. I wanted to come here and close off this vlog and thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I saw the love in the previous vlog. I can see the subscriptions are growing, the comments, the views. Like thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like I never thought or seeing the comments more YouTube will warm my heart like this. Seeing the views grow, also if you seeing the subscriptions grow would warm my heart like this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please do like all the time. Make sure that you click that like button in all my videos and watch. So I wanted to to explain the first clip of this video, of this vlog. I wanted to explain the first clip of this vlog. So on Thursday, I went to Kassenhof Hospital to go fetch my pap smear results. And coming back, I thought, you know what, let me cook it as a Thursday. So we usually do not cook on a Friday, but I was like, you know, let me cook since it's a Thursday. And my partner was like, nah, don't cook. We'll see what we'll do. Cool stuff, no stress. He comes back, we went to go buy the quota. Cool. Early go to Pula ya Toma ya Sara. We're like, you know what, let's go back home because we got our quotas already. Let's run back home so that Pula's karkaramo starting. Only if we knew. But anyway, what were we going to do? Later. So we got home. I think Mama, not even, okay, let me just say 10-20 minutes. Pula, it was on. Yeah, it was not even like Pula, it was on. Temili Sarasar. Okay, it's not the usual one. Oh, bro, it was crazy. The place was shaking. Like what we were, like it was just weird stuff. You can just think of moya wapula ye matla man, moya wala almost snacks. So I want a moya wala. Yeah, that one. It was that crazy, and it didn't take time. It was so quick. Cool, okay. The place is shaking. Remola. I'm like holding my partner like that, like really while all of that is happening. Then something clicked in my mind, like, you know what? Eriki check it out faster, or what is actually happening outside. Eriki check it out faster, like the next door neighbors, mom of us, they're pointing up. While they're pointing up, we're laughing. Oh, they're laughing at us for we don't have a roof. And then we thought, Uguti, the roof epumile, it's like the whole unit up. We'll have not just our unit, but everyone only more top the roof. It's a mail. The house the roof equal and stuff. Then like while we still checking out those things, like the sounds, the rain is still drizzling, like the place is still shaking. And I think be like, okay, since the roof here I'll check it out, because our trap door, we don't have a trap door. That square thingy is still open. I'm like, babe, go check Wally. He's like, nah, bruh. And it's so funny. And I'm like, nah, let me go. Vele. I feel like there is nothing. I like we do not have a roof. Let's go outside and check. Our area going outside. Our neighbors are out also coming to knock at our place. In fact, our roof it's amazing, and it's amazing. Father God, while we still at it, they're like, can we help you like pick up your stuff? Like in our rooms and stuff. But then it was not even like bad. Mama and I'm like, whatever that we're taking, can we kindly take the TV and the TV stand first, then the rest we'll see. Okari, me saying that, it was like me releasing the rain, or it was my chair. Oh my goodness. Started pouring, and I tell her no, it's a shit ceiling. Pour, then it tomo Tanakamahar. Tomoko Tanakamahar. Tute TV, Babele TV stand demo. Mom betting mitachela, like everywhere, go kitchen. Bro, it was hectic. But luckily, like the neighbors that we have, proper people. They didn't mind us taking our stuff really be good room. It was proper humanity, man. It was proper humanity. While we at it, like doing those things, the landlord came in swiftly, man. It was a quick thingy. Came in swiftly, helped us as well. They were like, you're not gonna be able to sleep here. If the rain continues, this the ceiling will fall off. So you're not gonna sleep here. We'll make sure that, like, after packing our things, and while we were still waiting for them, because they took the TV and the TV stand, me and my partner, we are there trying to, like, it was flooded. It was so flooded, trying to sweep off the floor. Sweep off the floor, wiping the counters, making jokes. Like, it was so funny. It was so funny. But that's another thing about us. It doesn't matter, storm or highway, we are always cool, calm, and making sure we don't stress each other. And it made actually the whole process kind of easy. Yeah, cool, sharp. Then we went. Even in the car, we were still making jokes. For sure, those people were like, these kids are not serious. In a serious situation like this, when are they able to laugh? But yeah, it made everything easy, especially for them. Because imagine if we were grumpy people, would be shouting, saying, oh, you need to pay for my things. Now my things are wet. My things are damaged and stuff. And I'm not saying that our things were damaged. No, they were not. They were just wet. And that was that. And the only things that were wet, you were mupete and your blankets, the clothes. When you have to change your wardrobe, when it's winter stuff, you put the winter stuff in the wardrobe, and then the summer stuff you put them underneath your bed or in your bags, like that. So we had our winter clothes in our bags underneath the bed. Cool, no stress. So those things were kind of wet. The couch as well was wet. The TV stand just a little. It was also wet though. And so imagine if we were those people that would made fussy of everything, like we would be saying, yeah. So we went to the place that we saw of the unplanned weekend away. That was also chilled. yeah, that place also, it was okay, not bad, but yeah. So yeah, no, that clip, it was that. Luckily we came back on we left Thursday night, we came back Sunday morning because my partner couldn't sleep. Like yes, starting meeting about and stuff. So Sunday morning, I think about my 10, we were already here, but we were still busy trying to paint and so yeah. Otherwise, the whole process, even with like whatever happened, it was a 10 out of 10. If it was a test, whatever that was, like we nailed it. I don't wanna lie, we nailed it the whole time. Was namashata amongst each other, or you know, by moody or snapping at the people that were like fixing the place, because it was not only us. Hey, it was not only us. Our place, I think it was better, even though the cost here were much more than the other house. Rina, the roof went out, and then few things that happened, that was it. But the other house, the wind. So yeah, it was not only us. The other house, my first like the planka went through the roof into, it was a mess, but thank God no one got hit. Thank God nobody got hurt. And yeah, even the like, it was so smooth. I'm not gonna lie, it was so smooth. And yeah, I'm just tired trying to recover from this whole thing, but otherwise so yeah, I just wanted to explain that first clip of this vlog. Otherwise, I think I will see you on the next one. Love you so much. Love you to bits. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget. Also, wait, did you see L'Oreal? Oh my goodness, the masterclass. I do not know, but if you get a chance, please grab yourself those tickets. Oh my goodness, I really want to go to this oh my goodness, I really want to go to this L'Oreal masterclass. Oh my goodness. Anyway, if you're able to go, if I am able to go, we'll see each other there. But if I'm not able to go, make sure that you get yourself those tickets. You just need to buy yourself a serum, foundation, concealer. I'll try to put the advert here to show you what you need to buy for you to get your seat there. Please get those for yourself. Like, make sure that you get there. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to be there. Anyway, see you in the next vlog. Love you so much.
Give it a key.